In this video, I'm going to show you how to join cursive fonts in Design Space. So when you type text in Design Space, depending on the font, and it's usually just cursive fonts, it may look like this. To fix this issue, firstly change the spacing. This will work for some characters but not for others. So for the rest of the characters, right-click and ungroup. Then move the individual characters along until they join. Now you just need to select everything and weld together. And then you can go ahead and cut it out.